Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. I hope everyone is doing well. Today's recipe is very simple. I'm going to show you how to make Kyikyinga beef suya. Stay with me and let's get started. For the beef suya recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. In this bowl, I have my beef, which have been cleaned, and also I've cut it into bite-sized pieces. This will make it easier for me to skewer, and also it will cook a lot quicker. I have my skewers, onion, jumbo beef flavoring stock. I have smoked paprika, suya powder, and finally I have vegetable oil. As always, all ingredients, including measurement, will be in the description box below. I'm going to begin by seasoning the beef using smoked paprika, jumbo beef flavoring stock, and suya powder. I will also add a little bit of oil and I'll mix everything together well. Please feel free to season your beef using your preferred seasonings of choice. To prep my onion, which I will be using to skewer the beef, I'm firstly going to begin by slicing the onion into two. And to the first half of the onion, I'm going to slice it into two one more time. And now I'm going to slice it into three. I will do the same thing to the other half of the onion. And I used a large onion. Once I finish cutting the onion, I'm just going to separate the onion, ready to skewer the beef. Now time to skewer the beef. I have been soaking my skewers in water for about 5 minutes. This will prevent the sticks from burning once it goes in the oven. And also, as you can see, the beef is ready. So just time to put everything together. I'm going to begin by taking one stick of my skewer. I will place the meat first, followed by one onion, then two pieces of the beef, one onion, and then two more pieces of beef, and then finally finish it off with an onion. Now, I prefer doing it this way. You can also add other vegetables like peppers, it's entirely up to you. And as you can see, this is it, it's ready. So I'm just going to set it aside and then I'll repeat the same process until I don't have any more of the beef left. Also, guys, you can use chicken, you can use lamb, or even salmon, and it's really delicious. And as you can see, I have finished skewering all my beef. So all that's left to do now is cook the beef suya. And I'm going to use the oven to cook my beef suya. However, if where you are, the weather is great, you have some sun, then please grill this on your grill because it would just take fantastic. But unfortunately for me, I live in the UK and the weather is not so kind. So the oven will suffice for now. And also, guys, I have been preheating my oven at 160 degrees. So once I have finished layering all my beef on my baking rack, I'll put it directly in the oven and I'll allow it to cook for 20 minutes. I'm now going to mix a glaze, which I will be using to glaze the beef to bring some moisture and keep the beef nice and soft. So I've added oil to a bowl. I've added a little bit of the jumbo flavoring stock and some suya powder. If you're making your beef on the grill, please use this as well to glaze it so it's nice and sizzling away, and also it will ensure that the beef doesn't dry out. So 20 minutes later, I have taken the beef out of the oven and I'm just going to glaze it with my oil mixture. I will then place the beef back in the oven for 10 minutes. So 10 minutes later, I have taken the suya out of the oven, and guys, the suya is ready. But I decided to mix together suya powder and a little bit of oil to glaze the beef even further. Now, the reason why I am doing this at this stage is because once the beef is cooking in the oven, it's losing moisture. Now, if I added this at the beginning, I would have lost this beautiful, delicious glaze. So what I decided to do is once the beef is cooked, I mix together suya powder and a little bit of oil, glaze the beef, and then I'm going to put it back in oven just for 2 minutes, just to ensure that the beef has this delicious suya glaze on top. You can also do the same thing even if you're grilling your beef suya on the grill. And the beef suya is ready. Oh my goodness, my mouth is literally salivating. I cannot wait to tuck in and enjoy. As always, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so, and click that notification bell, which will notify you every time I post delicious recipes like this. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.